Panoramic of the infield at Belmont Park, where immense amount of excavation is going on, presumably as as part of the initial stages of the complete renovation of Belmont Park. Belmont Park has to be the greatest horse racing facility in the world. I know there are horse racing facilities that look fancier. That seem to be a little more glitzy, but no racetrack can compare to Belmont Park in terms of its sheer majesty. The Naira trucks preparing the track for the next race. There's the shovel, busy at work behind those trees, dropping its load into the waiting bin of the dump truck. Here comes the other dump truck. From here, it looks like the construction crew is creating a new racetrack. Looks like it. Comes an airplane, flying into JFK Airport. Magnificent facility. It would really be a shame if this grandstand was torn down. It doesn't deserve that kind of fate. This is too impressive an edifice to be treated in such a shoddy way, as if it's junk. Redo the infield, yes. Upgrade the infield, yes. But with the stands, the grandstands, maybe a new paint job would do. You know, a thorough once over. That would be more than sufficient. For the purposes of this wonderful facility and for the sport. I mean, after all, do the horses really care about the condition of the grandstands? I don't think so. But then again, maybe somebody should ask a horse. Oh, the shovel doing its work. Are you interested? Okay.